If you need to remove a card from your GoDaddy account, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can update your payment methods safely and easily. Whether you're cleaning up old billing details, replacing an expired card, or just making sure your account has the right payment method on file, this is a simple task once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software and account tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com, then sign into your account with the email and password associated with your GoDaddy profile. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where GoDaddy keeps your account level settings and billing options. From the drop-down menu, click Account Settings. On the Account Settings page, look for the section called Payment Methods. This is where GoDaddy stores the cards and billing options connected to your account. Next, find the card you want to remove. If you have more than one payment method saved, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before you continue. After you've identified the right card, click Edit or Manage, depending on what GoDaddy shows on your screen. That will open the settings for that specific payment method. Now look for the Remove Card or Delete Payment Method option. Click it carefully because this is the step that actually starts the removal process. GoDaddy may ask you to confirm your choice before deleting the card, so review the confirmation message and make sure you're okay with removing it. If you're using that card for any active subscriptions, renewals, or domains, double check that another payment method is available so your services don't get interrupted. Once everything looks good, confirm the removal. After that, the card should disappear from your saved payment methods in GoDaddy. At this point, you've successfully removed the card from your account. It's a good idea to refresh the page or go back into payment methods just to verify that the card is no longer listed. If you still see it, try signing out and signing back in, or check whether GoDaddy requires one default payment method to remain on file for active services. And that's it. You've now removed a card from GoDaddy in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.